I want you to listen to me carefully. If this is your first time to come across my video, give me 4 minutes, because what I'm going to share with you in this video will transform your financial life forever. Can I tell you something? You see, so many of you guys, so many of you people, you complain that you are a broke because life is hard. You complain that you are a broke because life is unfair. Hey, I'm broke, I come from a poor background. I'm broke, my father is poor. I'm broke, I'm an orphan. What are you talking about, bro? Let me tell you something. You are not broke because of your circumstances. You're not broke because you are an orphan. You're not broke because you come from a poor background. You're not broke because life is unfair. I have been there, but let me tell you something. So many of you, you are full of distractions. You lack discipline. That is why you can't make even $1 at the end of the day. Let me tell you why. You wake up each and every single day. You scroll on the internet aimlessly. You watch porn. You chat with girls randomly. You are posting memes, entertainment only. Your life is full of entertainment. Pleasure is an enemy of success. So listen to me carefully. Your life is full of distraction. You lack discipline. You lack discipline. That very same phone that you are using to watch porn, to chat with girls randomly, to scroll on TikTok aimlessly, that very phone, there is someone younger than you using that phone to make thousands of dollars monthly, make hundreds of dollars weekly, and you're busy complaining that, hey, I come from a poor background, hey, I'm an orphan. What the fuck? Listen, you just lack discipline. That is why you can't provide for yourself. You can't eat good food. You can't dress well. You lack discipline. Now listen to me. On the 15th of May 2026 at 10 a.m. Ugandan time, I will be running a live workshop showing you how you can make your first $1,000 online. If you are this type of person who has always wanted to learn how to make money on the internet using that very same phone, you are using it to watch porn, you are using that phone to scroll on TikTok aimlessly, then leave a comment under this video, count me in, or send me a message directly in my inbox. I'm in. You need my guidance, because if you don't take my guidance, you will continue staying broke. And listen to me, by the way, if you don't learn this skill from me, there is a new business model that I'm going to unleash. I'm going to release on the 15th of May. I will be releasing it out. If I talk of an online business, I'm not talking about Forex. I'm not talking about crypto. I'm not talking about binary trading. I'm not talking about e-commerce. I'm not talking about affiliate marketing. A new business model, a new online business model. Whether you have no skill, whether you have no experience, whether you have no capital, just comment, count me in, and I'll respond to you instantly. It's going to be a live workshop for you to benefit from it. It will be my birthday, by the way. On the 15th of May, 15th of May, it is going to be my birthday. I'll be turning 23, a low-key millionaire. A low-key millionaire. So just leave a message under this video, count me in. Coach Obin, count me in, and I'll respond to you instantly. I remain your #1 coach, Coach Obin. See you in.